What's up guys, in this video we're going to be going over this random flicker box effect. I thought it looked super creative and I love these kind of effects lately. I'm not gonna lie, I have a thing for them. So that's what we're going to be going over together in this video. By the way, before we start, I just want to let you know about my best offer I will ever have on my website, which is my all-in-one bundle. And right now it is at an insane deal. You can get all of my editing packs, all of my future packs as well. And Lord knows I'm going to drop so many bangers for only $149.99. But that all ends on October 1st. This is by far the best offer I have on my website. You can literally get all of my editing packs I'll ever make with over like 1,000 plus assets. You can get the brain rot bundle in there. Like the people love it. Like mixed media in seconds. All of the New Wave FX suite. I'm gonna be dropping New Wave FX V3 maybe soon. So stay tuned for that. And yes, so many more packs. Listen, this is the last time you'll ever see this bundle for such an insane deal. That means if you wait, you're literally choosing to pay an extra $50 for the same thing. Why would you do that? Right now you can get every editing pack I've ever made, plus all the future packs I'm gonna drop. That is insane value. So if you're serious about leveling up your edits, this is the best investment to make. I'll have it down below. Make sure to go cap it before the price jumps forever. Now let's get right into this. So we're gonna start with solely the clip. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to create those kind of like boxes. So we're going to do that by creating a new solid. We're going to do Command Y, and then we're going to call this box 1. We can change the color and make it white, and then we're going to press on OK. Now that this is done, we're going to scale this down. We're going to press S on the scale properties. Let's scale this bad boy down to something that looks pretty cool. So now we're gonna make the box wiggle in that kind of like choppy way. So we're gonna press on P to go into our position properties, and we're gonna do Alt click. We're gonna create a sort of expression. So let's do Alt click, and we're gonna type posterize time. So basically this crushes. So basically posterize time crushes like your frames per second. So usually this would be like 24 frames per second. If we put posterize time 12, in that case, every 2 frames, the image is going to move. We usually use these effects on the channel to create like choppy effects. It always looks so good. So posterize time 12, array to the right, and then we're going to type semicolon. Then we're going to press enter, and then we're going to type wiggle parentheses 24 comma, and then let's do 2000 pixels. So it's going to be flying all over the screen. As you can see, you get that kind of effect already. So now it's all about adding to it and stacking up the effects. So now we can simply duplicate it. That's what is insane about this. So we can do Command D, and then since it's randomized, bam, you get another one. But we probably want to make it a bit more random. So how we're going to do that is we're going to animate the scale properties as well. So in that same like wiggle. So let's press on S to go into the scale properties. And we're gonna click on the stopwatch right here, Alt click, then we're gonna do posterize time 12 once again, arrow to the right, semicolon, enter, and then we're gonna type wiggle once again 24 comma, and then let's do 40. Now we don't want to do like 3000 pixels because we're talking about like the scale properties and it's no more than 100. So 40 is enough to like make it vary a little. Maybe we can be like extreme with this and make it like 90. And 90 is cool. So we're gonna copy this as well. Command C, S, Alt click, and then Command V. And that way you get these super cool shapes. I think it looks super sick in my opinion. I think I want to add one more, but that one make it like another color. So we're gonna do fill. Like this effect allows you to put like whichever color you want on a layer. Let's do, I don't know. What about pink? I don't know if it fits the kind of style we got going on. Maybe red. I feel like red looks pretty nice. All right, pretty dope. I think what we're gonna do is actually like make the effect come in of like this moment there, bam, you know what I mean? But in the beginning, then it comes in. That way we can like add a transition to it. And I think we're just gonna do like adjustment layer. I have a shortcut, but you can do like right click, new adjustment layer. And I'm just gonna apply the effect posterize time on top of everything, so that it's all at the same pace, like all of the same frames by second. So that looks really nice, just like that. All right, so now we're gonna add a transition where it comes in the effect. So we have like the normal clip and then bam, the effect happens, but it's like too rough if we don't put any transition. So let's add one of those. Let me put you on. All we gotta do is create a new adjustment layer, and then we're gonna go to my New Wave FX V2 presets, which is the sauce to get like all of the effects that are really like trending right now, just like the effects that are killing it at the moment that you're gonna see from artists like Osama-san, Flickering, Netspend, you name it. Like these effects are so fire. And then I think I'm gonna add I'm gonna do spiral red hit. Just apply it there, drag and drop, and then you get this super cool shake right here. But yeah, there are so many really fire effects. I'm not gonna go over a lot of them, but really useful effects. Like for example, like if you create an adjustment layer, just the fact you can add a flicker. Usually like I have to put the expression and stuff. You could just have your own flicker right here. So as you can see, like this really nice flicker. Yeah, there's so much sauce. Like, but yeah, one of my favorites is Dizzy Night Vision for sure. It always looks so trippy. Let me show you. One of my favorite effects is Dizzy Night Vision for sure. I'm just gonna show you real quick. That looks so trippy. So yeah, basically this pack is 1 out of 18 in the all-in-one bundle that we have so far. So as you can see, there is a lot of sauce on there. I'll have it linked down below if you want to cop New Wave FX V2. All right, now we got a transition. Now let's see what we have so far. I think I might add like a bit of grunge to it. I think we're gonna go to cleanest grunge. Yo, that is actually so clean. But if you don't have the presets, basically what it is you add 2 of the add grain intensity. You make the curves just like these. Like you play with the levels. I'm not gonna be breaking it down in this video, but this is like super clean. Now we're gonna add those kind of like numbers to our scene. It's really the effect that ties it all up together. Let's do that together. So we're gonna create a new solid once again, typing on Command Y, and then I call it timecode 1, and we're gonna make it black. Let's press OK, and then we're gonna type in timecode. So now as you can see, we have it on there. We can make it a little bigger, something like this. And then instead of composite on original, we're gonna check that off. That way we can see it just like this. All right, so that looks pretty cool. We're just gonna animate it once again. What I'm thinking, what we should do is press P on there, and we're gonna go get this expression. So Command C, and then I'm gonna type it. I think I'm gonna put it like in the middle. That way it's fair. And then I'm gonna press P, I'll click, bam, and then it's gonna be animated. We're just gonna put it under the adjustment layers and make it happen like there, not before. Now let's see what that looks like. So I feel like when it's like 2000, we don't really see it that much. So we're gonna do 1500, and we're gonna increase the text size a bit. Let's see what that gives us. Yeah, that's so tough. So now we just gotta duplicate it. I'm gonna duplicate 3 of these. That way we always see like this sort of time code. Now let's look at our final result. That was it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and if you brought any value, please consider subscribing. Also, please let me know in the comments what type of tutorials you want to see next on this channel. Also, if you want to get the all-in-one bundle, there's no much better time than now. On October 1st, it is gone. This is seriously the best investment you can make because you get lifetime access to all the sauce. Make sure to check it out. With that said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.